Consuming a number of foods and drinks over time can cause gallstones, which can cause many problems for a person. Hello dear friends, I hope you are healthy. Today I will talk about foods that cause gallstones and inflammation in the gallbladder. If you like the topic, be sure to watch the video until the end. First, let's see what bile is, and then I will talk about foods that cause inflammation and gallstones. The gallbladder is located in the upper right part of the abdomen, under the liver. The gallbladder secretes a greenish-yellow liquid called bile, which is produced in the liver and secreted into the intestines. This liquid plays an important role in the digestion of fats and helps break fats into smaller particles so that they can be absorbed in the intestines. Bile also helps remove waste products and toxins from the body and plays a role in the digestion and absorption of fat-soluble vitamins such as A, D, E, and K. How do gallstones form? Gallstones are caused by an imbalance in the components of bile. In most cases, this can be caused by an increase in cholesterol or fat in the bile, a deficiency of bile salts, or the presence of excess bilirubin. When these components reach a level where they cannot dissolve in the bile, they form crystals and eventually turn into gallstones. Factors such as obesity, diabetes, and poor dietary changes can also increase the risk of gallstones. Gallstones are hard deposits that form in the gallbladder and can be very painful. Diet plays a major role in the formation of these stones. A number of foods and drinks can increase your risk of gallstones. 1. High-fat foods. High intake of saturated and trans fats, such as fatty red meat, fried foods, high-fat dairy products such as butter and cream, full-fat yogurt, and hydrogenated oils can increase bile production and lead to stone formation. 2. Processed foods. These foods are high in unhealthy fats, salt, and sugar, all of which can contribute to gallbladder problems. 3. Sugary drinks. Sodas, fruit juices, and other sugary drinks are high in sugar, which can raise blood triglyceride levels and increase your risk of gallstones. 4. Refined carbohydrates. High intake of white bread, white rice, and sweets can raise blood sugar, which in turn increases bile production. 5. Alcohol consumption. Excessive alcohol consumption can cause gallbladder inflammation and increase the risk of gallstone formation. On the other hand, eating a healthy, balanced diet can help prevent gallstones. Here are some tips to help prevent gallstones. 1. Eat more fiber. Fruits, vegetables, and whole grains are good sources of fiber that help with digestion and bile excretion. 2. Reduce fat intake. Try to replace unhealthy fats with healthy fats like olive oil, avocado oil, and nuts. 3. Eat lean protein. Skinless chicken, fish, and legumes are good sources of protein that are low in fat. 4. Drink enough water. Staying hydrated helps dilute bile and prevent stone formation. What are gallstones? Gallstones are mainly of two types: cholesterol stones and pigment stones. Cholesterol stones are usually formed from excess cholesterol in bile and are mostly yellow in color and large. Pigment stones are formed from bilirubin from the breakdown of red blood cells and are usually darker and smaller. The composition of the stones varies depending on the type and their ingredients. There are a number of specific symptoms to recognize gallstones, which may include severe pain in the upper right abdomen, especially after eating fatty food. This pain may also radiate to the right shoulder or back and is called biliary pain. Other symptoms that may occur include nausea, vomiting, bloating, and jaundice, which indicates a problem with the flow of bile into the intestines. In some cases, infection or inflammation from gallstones may also be accompanied by fever and chills. A more accurate diagnosis is usually made using imaging tests such as an ultrasound or CT scan. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it interesting.